In the middle of a sunlit forest, a fox woke up to the sound of birds chirping and his stomach rumbling. He sniffed the air and caught the scent of something delicious. Following the smell, he spotted a crow perched on a tree branch, holding a juicy slice of cheese in her beak. The fox licked his lips and thought, "I must have that cheese," but he was known for his forgetfulness. He quickly came up with a plan to trick the crow but forgot half of it while climbing up the hill toward the tree. When he reached the base of the tree, he blurted, "Hey, shiny bird. Can I, have your cheese?" The crow tilted her head and let out a muffled laugh, her grip on the cheese tightening. The fox scratched his head, realizing he needed a better strategy. The fox decided to use his words to flatter the crow. He called out, "Oh, wise and beautiful crow, your feathers glisten like the morning dew. I bet your voice is just as magical. Could you sing for me?" The crow raised an eyebrow, her instincts warning her about this sly fox. She stayed silent, staring at him skeptically. Flustered by the lack of response, the fox tried again. "Oh, maybe your intelligence is what makes you so majestic. Or wait, is it your dancing?" The crow chuckled to herself, not budging an inch. The fox's fumbling flattery was too funny to interrupt. Determined to get the cheese, the fox shouted, "Fine, if you won't sing or dance, at least tell me where you got such delicious cheese." The crow, now thoroughly entertained, decided to play along. She replied, "Oh, I found it lying on the ground over there." The fox's ears perked up, and he darted off to search. He sniffed every nook and cranny, overturning leaves and bushes. He was so focused on the ground that he didn't notice the crow flying off with the cheese still in her beak. When the fox finally looked up, all he saw was an empty branch. He sighed, realizing his mistake. After some time, the fox came across the crow again, this time with a piece of bread. Instead of trying to trick her, he decided to be honest. He said, "Dear crow, I was wrong to trick you before. Could I please have a tiny piece of your bread? I'm very hungry." The crow, impressed by his honesty, broke off a small piece and dropped it to the fox. "There you go," she said. "Maybe next time, just ask nicely from the start." The fox happily ate the crumb, grateful for the lesson he learned. From that day, the fox and the crow became unlikely friends. They often shared snacks and stories. The fox learned that being honest and kind earned him far more than tricks ever could. One sunny afternoon, the fox looked up at the crow and said, "You're my best friend now. Cheese or no cheese?" The crow cawed happily and tossed down a berry for the fox to enjoy. Moral of the story: honesty and kindness lead to true friendship, while tricks and flattery can backfire.
Please like and subscribe my channel for more such stories.